Konnichiwa, Cello Sensei desu. Hello, if you are learning Japanese from zero, stick around because this series of videos I will make it for you. Somebody who is still not familiar reading hiragana, so we will have the ROMAJI, which is the alphabet on top, but that will also help you to learn how to read hiragana, katakana, and kanjis, and also to actually learn vocabulary. As in Japanese, we don't have space between words as we do in English, Spanish, and other languages. So it can be quite intimidating when we are learning to know when a certain word begins and finishes. So the Romaji on top of the dialogue will help you to memorize the words as well. I will be explaining in details, and each lesson we will be focusing only in one dialogue. The dialogue will be taken from the questions listening tests level 5 of the JLPT test, the Nihongo no Ryoku Shiken, which is a very important test. If you are serious about learning Japanese, you should definitely, try to take it in the future. But as a beginner, it can be quite challenging to study and even prepare for the test. So with this material, I will help you to learn from zero. Okay, so today's dialogue is this one. Right, so let's look at the situation. Today is sensei ga hanashite imasu. Sensei means teacher or professor, right? Sensei actually also means doctor, okay? In this case, here will be the teacher meaning, but yes, sensei. Ga hanashite imasu. So as we learned before, hanashite imasu is the ing form, teimasu, of the verb hanasu, to talk. So a teacher is talking. And the question that we want to know the answer from this conversation, this is not a dialogue, it's just the teacher giving instructions, right? So the question is, gakusei wa nani o kakimasu ka? Gakusei means student, and nani means what. Kakimasu is the verb kaku, which means to write something. And ka is the question, right? So what will the students write or write down? Okay. And if you look at the options we have here is, Nihongo Ichi, Jonah-san, which is the name, Jonathan, probably, right? Shichigatsu Yokka, which is the dates, right? We have Ichigatsu Yoka, and then we have the same dates, but then in different areas. You see the Hongoichi is on the right, the dates are on the left, and the name is kind of below the Nihongoichi. So, most likely we will have to find out where the students will be writing the dates and the names and the subject of the class. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first sentence the teacher says is minasan, which means everyone, everybody, right? Minasan, everyone, everybody, referring to his students. Kami no hidari ue ni jugyou no namae o kaite kudasai. So, kami means paper. No is the belonging, right? Or that is. Hidari ue. Hidari means left. Ue means up. So, your upper left. On your upper left part of the paper, ni jugyou no namae, the name. Namae means name. Jugyou means class or lesson, right? So in this case, the name of the class. The name of the class. O kaite kudasai. Write it, please. Nette kudasai is the form please do, the action of the verb. So we already know that the name of the class should be written at the hidari ue, top left. So then we know that number 3 and 4 are out because the name is, on the right. So the answer here would be, right, 1 or 2. Then he continues, the teacher, he says, kono jugyou wa nihongo ichi desu, right? So that's what they wrote, nihongo ichi, nihongo ichi. Ne? Kono means this, jugyou, lesson or class. So this class is nihongo ichi desu, Japanese 1, number 1. Then he continues, それから after that, right? After you write the name of the class on the top left. それから、その下に、その means this, right? So referring to where they wrote the nihongo ichi, the name of the class. 下 means down or lower, right? Up, 上, 下, down. So below what you wrote, right? その下に自分の名前。名前 means name. 自分 is like yourself or myself. So your name ね。自分の名前 your name を書いてください。Please write your name. So we know that the name is written below the class, right? And then he continues. そして after that, 右上に so 右 is right and 上 is up, right? So on your upper right, 右上に今日の today's he, today's date. He is date, okay? This character, this kanji also means sun, okay? Sun is taiyo, but also could be he. So yeah, 今日の日 or we also say hizuke is today's date を書いてください. So please write today's date on your top right. So then we know that is still right, one or two, because they're both dates. So finally, the teacher says, 今日は today is 7月4日です。July 4th, right? Now, if you are a beginner and you haven't realized this yet, this might be the first time you're listening to this, but this is the type of question that we're going to see a lot in the Japanese listening test because it's very confusing for beginners to differentiate shichigatsu, which is July, to ichigatsu, which is January. So this is ichigatsu, shichigatsu. So it can sound quite similar, right? The same goes for the day. The 4th and the 8th is very, very similar. So the 4th, as you can see here, is yoka. There's a small tsu, which means a pause after the yo sound, right? So it's like yoka, yoka, yoka. But the 8th is yoka. So it's the, the one that you actually extend the sound of the yo. So it's like yoka. So if I say yoka, I mean the 4th. If I say yoka, I mean the 8th. Okay? This is a nightmare for beginners when you're taking the test. You have to really pay attention. But even if you, are not sure about that one, as long as you can differentiate shichigatsu from ichigatsu, you should be fine. Okay? But this is just one of the tricky things of the Japanese pronunciation. Okay? So after we get to this part, then we know that the answer actually would be number 1, right? So the name of the class, the name of the student, jibun no namae, right? Your name on the left, top left. And then below the top left name, you write your name, and then the date would be nigiue, top right. So let's listen to the conversation and read along so you can practice your listening skills.
3番
先生が話しています。学生は何を書きますか？
皆さん、紙の左上に授業の名前を書いてください。この授業は日本語1です。それから、その下に自分の名前を書いてください。そして、右上に今日の日を書いてください。今日は7月4日です。
学生は何を 書きますか？
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, like to know where you guys are learning Japanese from. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave in the comments. And the next video, the next dialogue, focusing on you who are learning Japanese from zero, will be coming out next Saturday. Okay, so I'm planning to post these videos, one dialogue every weekend, so that way I can help you to learn Japanese from the very beginning. If you're already in a more intermediate level, feel free to check the description of this video where you will find a link for the other levels. I have tons of materials, also the listening practice for all the levels in the Japanese test. So that can be very useful for you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay? それではまた. See you next week. Bye bye!